Okay, good evening. Sometimes when you have a kitchen unit, the doors might just fail off because the hinges have become weak or the wood start breaking. So here what happened was that let me put this one down. There was where the hinge secures from became so big and the door just failed, partly because we have an electric kettle down here. So what did I do? Well, I went to screwfix and I bought this metal piece, two of them, and they only cost £2. What I've done is I've mounted the metal plate here, and after that I'll put back the door. To make sure everything is properly aligned, I'm going to mount another one on top. So there will be two of them, so another one will be mounted on top. And in that way, the door will now be well secured and it won't fail for some time. Please like the video if you enjoyed. Bye.